Good Tuesday evening, Seminoles. Thanks for tuning in because we've got a big story for you in the weather tonight. We're tracking a line of strong thunderstorms that's moving gradually eastward and is going to be impacting us late tonight and very early tomorrow morning. For starters, the county's shaded in yellow off to our west right now, including Escambia County and Pensacola. They're under a tornado watch until 11 o'clock p.m. tonight. Here on the map, we can see these vibrant shades of red and yellow and orange. Those are all the dangerous storms gradually moving in our direction. But right now in Tallahassee this evening around 7 o'clock in the evening, it is clear in our region, save for a few clouds. Let's look at what the Storm Prediction Center has lined up for us. The colors on this map indicate risk for severe weather, including hail, strong winds, and tornadoes. And the bullseye, the strongest risk, is this region shaded in red, which is being designated for a moderate risk that includes New Orleans, Biloxi, Mississippi, Mobile, and Alabama, as well as Pensacola, Panama City Beach, and Apalachicola. And it cuts off, transitions to a lower phase on the map that's moderate, enhanced, shaded here in orange. That's what Tallahassee is under. So we're not at the highest threat for this whole system, but we are pretty high on the scale, so we do want to be taking this situation very seriously. Right now this evening, it's 68 degrees, 71 in Wilma out there. It is warm, it is getting humid outside, so that is going to be fueling this thunderstorm, as well as the winds, which are coming off the Gulf right now, and they're getting very strong. They're pushing all that humidity, all that moisture off of the Gulf, and that's interacting with cold, dry air coming in from the north. They're clashing and creating this big mass of thunderstorms that's getting very strong. Numerous tornado warnings have already been issued in Louisiana and Mississippi, so we want to be keeping a close eye on this as it moves into our region tomorrow morning. A look at the water vapor confirms our suspicions. There's lots of moisture up there in the air over Tallahassee that's fueling these thunderstorms. We know that we've got lots of fuel up there for severe weather to erupt later this evening. Let's break down the time scale when we expect this mass of storms to be pushing through our region. We've got nothing until early tomorrow morning. We're thinking it'll get here at the earliest around 3 or 4 o'clock a.m. And then at 7 a.m. tomorrow, when those of us are getting up for our earliest classes in the morning, we may still be seeing those thunderstorms pushing through our region. Given how this event will be occurring largely in the small hours of the morning when everyone's asleep, it is very important that you have a system to notify you if warnings should be issued for FSU's campus. You can download the FSU Alert app or any weather app from a general news station with push notifications will inform you if severe weather threatens our region. As for beach and boating tomorrow, the bottom line really is, unless you really need to get out, save it for another day because we've got very strong winds, very choppy waves, very rough conditions. Only the most experienced boaters should go out in this because a gale warning has been issued for the waters off the coast of the Big Bend region. But tonight in our region, we're getting down to 64 degrees across the board in Tallahassee. Once again, 80% chance of heavy thunderstorms. Strong to severe storms are expected. And then tomorrow, once this moves out of our region by mid-morning, drier conditions are expected. But if you have to get up early, keep the umbrellas handy. And then bring a t-shirt under your rain jacket because we're going to climb up to 70 degrees. As for the week ahead, we've got sunny skies to follow after this weather event moves out of our region, with highs only in the lower 60s through the end of the week, with abundant sunshine to follow. Have a great evening and stay safe.